Hello and welcome. In this video I'll answer the question if the Asus ZenFone 12 Ultra supports the microSD cards. So the answer to the question is unfortunately no, and I'm going to show you the reason in a second, because I'm getting my metal pin from the box, so just wait a second. And as you can see, we have the piece now, and we're going to flip the phone and open the SIM tray, because that's where the SIM card should go in some phones, and it's where you normally put it. As you can see, we got the SIM tray out, and unfortunately, as you can see, the micro SD card would not fit here. It's too big. It's only here and the SIM tray only supports the SIM card. So unfortunately, you cannot use a micro SD card with your ZenFone 12. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.